So in this lesson now, I'm going to show you what the blues scale is all about. So this one we are doing is the blues scale. So the blues scale, this is it. Then play it very slow. Let me descend back. You get it? So your 1, your flat 3, your 4, you get it? Your flat 5, your 5, you get it? Your flat 6, and your 1, which is your, or you can call it your 8. So your do, re, fa, fi, so, you get it? Then do, then do, then descend back. You see, like I said, I'm starting anything minor. We are starting with our index finger. So right, so then play very slow again. Your do, re, fa, fi, so, do, do. Your 1, flat 3, 4, flat 5, 5, flat 6, and your 8 or your 1. So that is all about the blues scale.